Jacobson with Drone Service Systems. I have an exclusive for you here. The building behind me has a collapsed roof, and it's pretty bad, and it's in Rahway, New Jersey. We're going to check it out from above. Channel 12 already reported on this, but we're going to get a little bit of better perspective now, aren't we? Are you ready? Here we go. Hello, I'm John Victor Jacobson with Drone Service Systems, and if you like to fly drones, if you like to race drones, and if you like to do area photography, you're going to want to come to Maker Festival in Holmdel, New Jersey at the Bellworks property on April 15th, 16th, and 17th. It's a 3-day event, everyone, and it's going to be fantastic. For more information, come to our website and check it out.